What's up? We're gonna be running Aider benchmark hopefully with Olympic Coder. We will see. See if I can do that. Let's see if TikTok goes live. Will it? Yes. Soon. Come on. Actually, I don't know if I use the right key here. Hopefully now. Yes. All right. Okay. All right. So Aider Polyglot leaderboard. Polyglot benchmark. I love this benchmark, and yeah, I think it's like the best for judging models. Recently, they put Gemini 2.5 Pro at the top. This is the new state-of-the-art model. And occasionally when new models come out, I want to be able to test them, especially like the smaller ones. There is this Olympic Coder 7B, which people are saying it's like for 7B, probably the state-of-the-art 7B coding model. No one's really been able to test this. I'm gonna see if I can on Aider. Yo, Solo, what's up? Who's this person? Tanmei, what's up? What's your question, Solo? Can we have a meeting? Oh, nah. Nah, bro, just ask your question in chat. I'm trying to do this. I mean, if we have downtime, maybe, but for now, I'm gonna try to run this leaderboard. User Tech, thanks for the coin. So, down the bottom, I think they have like, if you want to contribute, read the README. Yeah, so this is the harness here for running the benchmarking suite. Essentially clone the repository and run the Docker container. So yeah, we're gonna give that a go. We're going to integrate Google Calendar, Shopify, and be able to have users integrate anything they want. Thoughts on how to MCP what? You want to make a platform for people to integrate many services with MCP. What's interesting, and I'm going to be doing this sometime soon, maybe even this week, is Aptify MCP. So Aptify has like APIs for pretty much anything, and now they have an MCP server. So with like one API key, you might be able to integrate with a whole bunch of things. Yeah, yo, Noah, what's up? Is the YouTube chat broken? Let's have a look. It is. What the fuck? Oh no. We're good now. Right? No, it's still broken. There we go. Can't get MCP working on Windows, like at all. Like any MCP thing. Shouldn't really matter what platform you're on. Do what full-time streaming? No, just when I can, when I find free time. Can I teach you programming? It probably won't be worth your money. Like I can teach you whatever if you book my time at cal.com/techfriend, but I don't know, I think you should just learn for free with YouTube and stuff, to be honest. Yo, Jerome, how did the hackathon? Lovable hackathon. I made top 100, but they're not, they haven't released the winners. I think they're gonna do that tomorrow. You should build an app builder that can build iPhone apps or any apps with anything in 6 minutes. Yeah, I mean, easier said than done. Browser tool use? Yeah, with which client? I ended up using, so the MCP I use now is Playwright. I don't know which one. Hold on, let me try to show you the MCP I use for browser. This one, Execute Automation. This one, like I also tried to use many different browser automation MCPs and couldn't get one working. This one was the one that worked for me, by Execute Automation. I'm using it with Augment Code. Yo, non-objective, what's up? Yeah, Aider is the best leaderboard I've found for coding, best benchmark for coding. So I've never been able to run it. It was like I had issues with Docker on Windows, but hopefully I have Docker working on Mac kind of well, so hopefully I can get it working here. Thoughts on Replit AI agent? Yeah, it's good. The whole Replit like ecosystem is really good and perfect for like building full stack apps in like any platform with their agent. Their agent's not the best coding agent there is, but it's still very capable. Yeah. Oh, we lagging a lot, huh? That is not good. Ooh. That's not good. Oh man. Who is the best AI to code? There's no best. Oh, you mean model? Yeah, but for models, I go by this leaderboard, the Aider leaderboard, and current best is Gemini 2.5. Wait, this isn't the right leaderboard. This is the right leaderboard. Gemini 2.5 Pro, followed by Claude Sonnet 3.7. Yeah, the internet, fortunately, is not doing too well at the moment. But hopefully, I mean, it's good now, but I think it's gonna be hit or miss. Anyway, all right, we downloaded we cloned the repository. Where's the contributing docs? Now we're gonna cd into Aider bench. We're going to make a directory, create a sketch directory to hold the benchmark results. All right, temp.benchmarks. Oh, now we need to clone the exercises. Interesting. And build a Docker container. So I want to try this Olympic coder, and I want to try it through GLHF chat. Hopefully that'll let us inference it a lot faster than I would ever be able to running it locally. So I'm just gonna put this Hugging Face URL in GLHF chat, and I think it'll spin up a model for us. It's gonna cost me 3 cents per minute. I haven't put any, it's gonna launch. I haven't put any payment methods in GLHF chat, so I'm not sure exactly how it will charge me. All right, we're gonna run the Docker build. What happened here? Try to get Warp to fix it. It's like there's an issue with Bash. Maybe you have to make it executable. Nope. Remove the carriage returns. Oh, it's like a file ending thing. Let's try run it now. Nope. When you use a text to GPT, you can also book meetings. Yeah, dude, it's just tool calling or MCPs. Solo. Yo, Shadow, what's up? I'm trying to run the Aider benchmark suite. I'm gonna run Docker desktop and then run the Docker build command. 3 cents per minute, cheaper to use DeepSeek. Yeah, but like if you find a cheaper way to run this particular model, Olympic coder, I mean, that's probably a way, but this one's pretty fast. Like just being able to just run it from a URL, Hugging Face URL. Can you run it through here? I'm gonna deploy Hugging Face endpoint. I've never done this either. Or deploy with like Azure or AWS. Never done those. 50 cents per hour, that's cheaper. But it's on CPUs. I don't know, we go GPU. Pretty sure like GLHF is H100, so if I wanted the H100 here, I mean, it's not even an option, but like an A100 would be $4 an hour. So I think for GPUs, this might be the best way. On device, yeah. I'm trying to run it on a beefy GPU. IT Solutions, thanks for the follow. How does it work, MCPs? It's just a tool call. It's like a standardized tool call, essentially. Or a function call. Come on, Salah, you should know this. This might take a little while. Oh no, my battery's going down, dude. I need to buy a new charger. My my current charger is charging with 14 watts. I think that's too low. double check that with Claude. How low is that compared to the potential charging limit for Mac M1? What you build? Building the Docker container for the Aider Polyglot benchmark. It seems to be on the step 5 for quite a long time. Oh, here we go. I think also my download speed's pretty low at the moment. Hella technical difficulties. Based on the image, it's charging at 14 watts. For context, this ships with a 67 or 96 watt. This means your current rate of 14 is significantly lower. Damn, I could be getting up to 96 watts. I need to buy a new charger, man. Yeah, I think my charger's no bueno. Anchor, like you have to flush PC memory. How do you mean? Yeah, I think these Anchor ones are good. Maybe not this one. How many watts is that? 20 watt. $100 watt. Yeah, this is what I want. $128 watts. What are the size differences here? GAN 3. Oh, these are all 65 watt max. So why is it saying 128 watt? Seems pretty good. Damn, I'm slowly losing battery. A2688. Is that one? No, this is the A26. 7-2. Which wasn't even an option. Oh, this is a 8-8. Interesting. Six. 6-2, 6-8. No. Just gonna float this. Eight, 2, 6, 7, 2. I think this is a later model. But it's like more than double the price. Alright, we're up past step 6. It's past step 5 here. Why is the price difference so big? I wonder if Perplexity can search this. Deep research. This is 688. Got the matrix thing, same. It's fucking sick. Nice. Step 10. Interestingly, what they advertise as 688 is is this one. Okay, it does look the same. Right, okay. And this is... Oh, this only has one port. Alright, I might just dish out for this. $80 on that site. What's the price here? $80, yeah. Save $20. Well, that's including save 20. Yes. I wonder if they have them at Best Buy. They don't? Oh no, this is in... $65 what? They don't have the 100 watt. 150 watt. Not bad. Yeah, I might get that. Alright, yeah, sorry this is taking so long. And we're lagging, I don't know. I just think the conditions aren't great for this, unfortunately. I mean, it's like going and coming. We're gonna have this here. And what happens if I do this? Oh, this is pretty cool. Oh, you finished? Nice. Okay. We have the Docker. Next, launch the Docker. Huh? There's no docker.sh. There is? Oh, this is the same issue as before. Luckily we have Warp's agent mode to fix it. Okay, will it work now? Yeah, oh cool, it like SSHs into the container, that's pretty cool. Okay, now we can run the benchmark like this. All right, so before we run that benchmark, I need to double check that I can even run Aider with the Olympic Coder model that I just hosted here. Oh, it's not already hosted? Oh, is it sleep? It seems like when you close the tab, it goes to sleep. Oh, yes, great. They give you $10 credits to start, or they did before. So that's nice. I have $10 in credits to use. I'm going to API, try to get my API key here. Nice, and the base URL. Okay, great. So we need to figure out what flags I need to run for Aider to be able to run this bench with this model. We'll just go to the docs to find that out. OpenAI compatible API. -- model. Okay. OpenAI API base. I'm pretty sure I can set that. We're gonna try Aider -- OpenAI API base, and then this, and then -- OpenAI API key. Alright, and then the key, and then no one's still that key, and then OpenAI wait, and then -- model OpenAI / I'm not sure if this actually needs to be HF colon. Yo, EB, are we able to tell an LLM to do a coding problem and have it solve bugs automatically? Yeah. Yes, you can with agentic tools like Cline, Cursor. Even Aider can do it somewhat. Augment Code. There's a lot now. I should be able to do that. Okay, great. Open R1. Let's see if I can run Aider with, I'm not going to install this yet. With, Olympic Coder. Just asking hi. Okay, that looks like it worked. Ask what model are you? Seems really fast as well. Okay, so this thing sits OpenAI's API. Okay, great. This is perfect. This is exactly the same model, it seems. Great. So we can just run the Aider bench with this command. Let's see. So what do we need? Run the benchmark.py. Olympic dash coder. Dash all that stuff. Threads 10, exercise, dear, polyglot benchmark. Okay, will this work? No such file or directory. Python 3-R. Doesn't have Python? The fuck? I have no idea what this issue means. Trying to run a Python script that has Windows style endings on a Unix system. Oh, this is weird, kinda. I guess everything is written for Linux, but because I'm running it on a Mac, it's giving these issues. I don't know. Let's see if that works. Bad interpreter. Permission denied. Do I need to chmod that? Yo, Ernie, it can, but it's not always the greatest and shouldn't depend purely on LLMs to do the work. Yeah, okay, yeah, chmod. Doesn't that work? Okay, looks like it's working. Nope, no such option OpenAI API base. Really? Can we not put all the okay, run help. Oh, cool. Okay, looks like we can't put all the configs in here. Oh, we need to read them from a model settings. Is that in the docs? The YAML also includes the settings which were in effect. Okay. How do we read model settings? We need better docs here. Let me see if I can find exactly where to put this. Might have to search their Discord. To save battery, yeah, we're using a lot of battery. What I'm gonna do is turn off this monitor, which will bring everything here, and Gonna have to update OBS to show yeah, this monitor. In both. Okay. That's what we're gonna have to deal with. Alright, we're gonna search the Aider Discord for read model settings. Okay, you provide the settings YAML like that, okay. Yo, Sonia, what's up? I'm just trying to run the Aider benchmark for the first time. Without success. There's no file editor. No Nano, no Vim. How can I create and edit a text file while I'm SSH into this Docker container? How the fuck do I do this? Nano didn't work. Vim also didn't work. We can do this, supposedly. I also need to create the YAML file like this. I need the docs. YAML OpenAI base. OpenAI API key model. Actually, model can be given. Okay, just need those two parameters. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now we can go benchmarks.py. And we go read model settings. Settings.yaml. Okay, hopefully this works. What happened to a 24-hour hackathon? Did you submit it? Yes, I did submit it, and really cool. Lovable actually retweeted my post. I made top 100, but they haven't announced the final winners yet. Oh shit, this is called Lovable Hackathon? No. Why did it do twice? Wait, what the fuck? Oh, this is broken. Sorry. Did I not update the restream titles? That's a oopsie from me. I did. Oh, I just... I might not have. I didn't upgrade the title. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Oh well. Error loading model settings. The model settings.yaml argument after star must be a mapping, not a string. Uh-oh. What's star? Did I do something wrong? Pretty sure this is fine. Was it the new line? Oh, wait, what? What happened? Is it running? I can't really tell. I think it didn't give an error. Did it make that file? Can't really tell. What's meant to happen after that? Above will create a folder with benchmarking results. Run like this. The script will run all the exercises in a random order. It didn't create the file. I mean, it said it did. Here. But I don't see it. Oh. It did. It's just in the... It's not in... It's not in the relative. Okay, cool. What time do you usually go live? I don't have a schedule, I'm sorry. I just randomly do it. Oh, Giggle Stick, man. Haven't seen you in a while. Love the new Gemini 2.5 model. Yeah, it's the state-of-the-art model. How do you check on the progress? Yeah, how do you check on the progress here? I see a bunch of the key statistics are the pass rate. The benchmark will report a YAML record. You can generate stats, including which is still running. Oh, cool. So at any time, we can check the stats. Like this. That didn't work. Oh, here we go. Oh, sweet. Whoa, it's still... I think I accidentally went to the mode that just shows it running. I hope... How do you exit out of something without being in it? You know what I mean? I'm gonna open a new tab because I'm scared to break that one. How did we run that Docker? Okay, great. Okay, please just give me the stats. Nice. that's just the stats. Okay, 7 tests, 100 of them well formed, no errors. But how many tests pass? It doesn't say. Percentage cases well formed, test timeouts 0, total test 225, total cost is 0. I guess it doesn't say until the end. It's pretty exciting though. I think I finally got testing working. I'm gonna start my own unofficial benchmark leaderboard for all these like models that other people can't be bothered testing or something. That's pretty good. Like in a couple of minutes we got 7, so hopefully we can get 225 in. Oh nice, we actually got a pass rate this time. It says model 3.5 turbo, but I don't think it's. Why does it say 3.5 turbo? I don't know if that's more. Despite me putting another model in, I figure it's okay because the key I provided isn't OpenAI key. I think it's okay. Let's see what the other people have said. No, there's actually says 5% pass rate. That's pretty low though. But it is only a 7B model, so can't expect too much. $30 out of 200. I think it's going pretty fast. 3%. Let's move this to the left. What happens if I do that? Okay, not too bad. You're consistent with coding long hours, yes. How do you not get overwhelmed or distracted? I do. Yeah, it's not easy, but I guess, I don't know, it's something that I'm passionate about, so it keeps me going. Yo, Elephantus. Haven't popped up on your FYP in a while? Damn, algorithm hates me. What's up, man? Yeah, this is the first time I'm running the Aider Polyglot leaderboard locally. Yeah, like on my own machine. It's the benchmark that I really like. I hope to benchmark all these models that other people don't want to benchmark, like for instance Olympic Coder 7B. We're doing it now. Pass rate 2 to 5%, pretty low. Now there's so many different things I can check, like the diff format and stuff. Percentage of cases well formed, 100%. Now this is pretty interesting because if we look at the Aider leaderboard here, we can see that even like the best models don't get 100%. I guess this combination did, but 100% is kind of rare. Oh no, that's still, oh yeah, it's not that rare. But yeah, 7B model, 100% well formatted. It's pretty good. This is terrible. I mean, it's better than GPT-4o Mini. So that's interesting. We've done 46 out of 255. How is my battery doing? Also, I've determined that my charger is no good. So I need to get a new charger. Yo, Rohan, what's up? What's my preferred model to use in Cursor? Recently I've just had it on auto select. I think if I had to pick one, I think 3.5 has been the best in my experience. But just because like I think 3.7 is a better model, but it's just like it does too many unnecessary changes, I'd say. People stack their models. Yeah, people like there's power users, they switch all the time, and I'm not sure exactly what you mean by stack. But yeah, I mean there's some models like the thinking models like R1 or 3.7, they'll be good at planning, but like 3.5, I mean it's supposed to be a hybrid model 3.7, but like, you know, less thinking, could be faster at iterating and like doing tool calls faster. Didn't they add Gemini? Yeah, they've added Gemini to Cursor, that's right. They switch, yeah, plan with Gemini and then execute with Claude. Yeah, I think that's a pretty good strategy. Yeah, planning with Gemini, executing with Claude should be a pretty good strategy, because I think another issue with Gemini is its rate limits. So, you know, if you're doing lots of tool calls, lots of function calls, you'd probably hit that limit pretty quick. Hey Artel, how are you? How are you? I should say. Okay, this model not doing too well. There was another model I wanted to test after this, and that is OpenHands LM 32B. Pretty excited to test that one out as well. This one is about 1/4 of the way done, and it's looking like we're having a pass rate of about 4%. Edit format whole. I don't know how to like stop this benchmark like midway. Yeah. Can I submit a change here? Is it possible to like edit like a pull request? Let's see. Edit and play. How are you going? How's the ADA benchmark test going? Yeah, I'm doing well. A bunch of technical issues with me currently. My battery is slowly dying because my charger is not giving enough charge, so I won't be able to stream for too long. But yeah, I was able to run the ADA benchmark suite successfully, and that's pretty much the aim of this stream. So I don't know if we'll be able to see the end of this benchmark, but yeah, I'm pretty excited that I'll be able to now benchmark all the new models as they come out, provided they have enough rate limits for me. So I might start my own unofficial ADA leaderboard. I mean, I'll be happy to submit the pull request into the real leaderboard as well, but I'm pretty sure Paul doesn't really care for these small models and unofficial models, so he probably won't merge them. But so that's why I'll maybe have my own unofficial leaderboard. Yeah. I also wanted to like submit a pull request to show how to put in the edit settings. Read model settings. Read model. Why is that not in here? Vengel, thanks for the gift, my bro. Oh, what happened? I lost. I think the Chrome session died. Uh-oh. Oh well, okay. Yeah, I think my Chrome died. So yeah, I might. Oh no, it's back. What is wrong with your battery? I think my battery is fine. It's just the charger. So like, it's meant to be a 90-watt charger, but it's only giving like, oh, it's 19 watts, which is a bit better now. But yeah, it was only giving like 14 watts charge. Which isn't enough, so I'm actually using more power than I'm charging with. So it's just slowly dying. I need to get a new charger. What do I think about JavaScript for backend? It's still hype. Yeah, I use JavaScript for backend a lot. I think it's pretty capable. It's probably not as performant as some other languages that are focused on performance, but it just makes it easier for a web dev to develop backend tech, being used to JavaScript. Damn, the pass rate is going down. Edit format whole. Is that the default? I want to say that they should definitely add read model settings in here. And to say like, I don't know if I'll be able to submit a PR like this, but I hope I can. specify any other configurations in the Aider YAML format. How do you see here? I don't think I'm able to submit this as a pull request. Submitting a change will write it into your fork, and then you can set. Oh, perfect. Okay, good. Update benchmark readme to specify how to config other settings. Propose change. Create pull request. Would you say your programming skills are diminished or improved since learning AI? I don't think they would have been diminished, but I've definitely been more lazy. Like, I want to do everything with AI these days, which has caused me to like be more lazy, if that makes sense. But yeah, I think like AI has definitely helped me improve in being able to make changes where I wouldn't have even understood the code before, like in new projects or languages I don't know. So yeah. Can't wait for Aider MCP. Yeah, it doesn't look like they're even trying to do MCP in Aider, because it's like purposefully not trying to be a agentic tool. But that shouldn't stop it, I guess. I'm not sure. $84 out of 224. Okay. Yeah, I might wrap up the stream here. As for Olympic Coder, I think at least in whole format it's not great, and I suspect in diff format it will do worse than in whole format. Yeah, so anyway, I'd like to thank everyone for watching. I think we're gonna end it up here. I am curious though if it is actually using the right model. I don't know how to stop the benchmark either. You know what I'm saying? Like, do we just do a PSEF or PSEF? Okay, there's a bash. So there's not even a process running. Like, how is this? How do we stop the benchmarks? I don't even get it. Oh, it's going up. The pass rate. Yeah, I don't really fully understand this. I hope I'm not just running a benchmark with GPT 3.5. I don't know. Claude Code with MCP is too pricey. Yeah, I mean, it's one of the reasons I haven't even touched Claude Code at all. It's like, I just know it's gonna be hella pricey. Generate stats. You can generate stats. Above will create a folder with benchmarking results. Like this. The script will run all the exercises in random order. There's nothing about like stopping or pausing or canceling the benchmark. Damn, it shot up to 130 done. That's crazy. Maybe we will be able to finish this. I might just let this run. Could you quote a start to drop every 5 minutes? Theoretically, yes, but I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, looks like it's speeding up. I'm gonna reply on LinkedIn. I wonder if I can change my stream title here too. Hey, shout out Bella, and I think, wait, Avi said, I got a message from Avi. There we go, Avi. Can I import it into my existing code base so I can auto-generate instead of having to do it with the UI? This one, I think, is only through the web app for local code. And under setting, try tools like Klein, Cursor, Augment Code, Winsert, and Ada. Seriously, Sigma. Thanks, Bella. Freaking Bella. Damn, she got 9,000 followers. Crazy. She's the influencer. How we doing? 144, almost there. I think we might make it before I run out of battery. I really hope it's not just GPT 3.5. Imagine generating the system prompts based on the available MCP tools when creating the project. Yeah, I think that's how all of these. I think that's how all of these agents work already, Adrian. Because the LLM needs to know what MCP tools are available, what functions they have, and that's done through prompting. So yeah, I mean, I assume that's how they work. All right, so let's see what GPT-4o mini is the lowest one at 3.6. So we don't have any other 7B models here. Am I wrong into thinking that? Yeah. So it'd be interesting. I could have like my own unofficial Aider leaderboard with small models, 32B and under. Now I don't know, how do they calculate, what is this? Percentage correct, like, because there's two pass rates. I don't really know how that shit works. Like, how does that shit work? Um, it's pass 2 rate that is used. Is that so? All the results are pass 2 rate? Oh, previous. Do you think the new one is... Wait, so pass 1 is a different test to pass 2? I'm not sure. Am I building an LLM from scratch? No, just testing an existing one on an existing benchmark. And it's not doing too well. Any thoughts on SWE agent? I think it's pretty outdated. I haven't heard anything about that in a while. Is that still, are they still working on that? I don't think so. Oh, last commit 5 days ago. I don't know. I don't think. Oh, they state of the art? I don't know. I haven't really heard too much about it. What do you know about it, Farhad? Sometimes I think to myself, maybe coding isn't for me. Is coding not for everyone? Definitely. For most people, coding isn't for most people. Yo, John Power, long time no see. W-Lock, what's up? Oh shit, the pass rate's going up. I think we're gonna make it before I run out. I'm on 32%. What are like the best cheap electronics store in SF? That should be a good one, no? Near me. Damn, I'm not gonna make any of these. This is... No, I don't want bullshit electronics. I want like... This one looks good. I think whatever I find, it's always gonna be way more expensive than Amazon. So there's almost no point. Yeah. Am I still in the States? Yeah, still in SF. You're learning MIPS? How is it? Can't say I've ever gone into that. Wish I could tell you more. That's funny. Yeah, we'll hang. I don't know, to be honest, like, should I just go through some of the... Do I use local LLMs much anymore? No, never. Literally never. Only using APIs. There's just such a big difference in what you can run locally. It's like, well, on my MacBook, I can't run any of these at a good speed. None of these models I can run locally. Like, the best thing I could run is probably like a 7B model, which is what I'm testing now. I'm testing what is supposedly like the best 7B coding model, and its pass rate is 4. So yeah, it's like pretty bad. 4% pass rate, like it's just not proper. Any thoughts on Refact AI? They're getting 90. Yeah, so I actually mentioned this on the Aider Discord, and Refact AI is like an agent. So it's like, I don't know, it's not really fair for them to be on the... Like, the Aider leaderboard is comparing models, not agents with models. They're using Aider as like a controlled standard bench code assistant. And Aider doesn't really do like, feedback loop back and forth. They try to, I don't know if they do like one shot. I think they have like a few attempts or something. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but essentially what I'm getting at is like, it's like an unfair comparison. Seems like Refact is better than Aider. I think what Paul said, let me find the actual message here on LinkedIn. I think essentially what I'm getting at is like, it's a unfair comparison. I think Paul said if he had like retries on 8 or something, it would... Here, this is the guy. I benchmark models against Aider running a practical interactive configuration with tight retry limits. They're doing some agentic thing that just lets it... Okay, well, Refact's doing an agentic thing that lets the agent run wild on tokens at a time. If you let Aider retry more, it can score 86% with 8 retries. Yeah, so 86% would be more than, what did they say they got? 67%. So I hope that like answers it. Pretty much like the leaderboard, this particular one is meant to be like a more practical constraint, whereas the Refact one is just like going crazy with feedback loops. Damn, there's some really beautiful birds outside my window that we just missed. I just missed, rather. Oh, I wish NVIDIA gives me free digits. That'd be so good. Oh, Sidar, thank you. Did I try Shadow Tech on Mac? No, what's that? Oh my god, the birds are back. I'm trying to get a video here. Yeah. No, what's Shadow Tech? $86 versus 97. On the one I saw, it was just 76. They got the latest one. Where's their latest one? Where are you seeing 96? I don't see 96. Lovable is announcing in 4 hours? Oh shit. What's my daily driver? I've been testing in the past 2 days Augment Code. I'm not sure what model they use under the hood, but I assume it's Claude's on it. No, I'm not sure what Shadow Tech is either, whoever else that. It's like Windows, but on Mac. You don't have to have a good Mac. Oh, no. It's got everything on cloud and nothing on your Mac. No, I haven't tried it. Farhad, where is this Refact update? You can tell me what to search. Or you can drop it in Discord. Yeah, I think YouTube blocks links, unfortunately. Any AI understands video? Yeah, Gemini. Go to aistudio.gemini.com. I mean, sorry, aistudio.google.com. You can upload videos here and do video Q&A on their blog. All right, let's see. Where's their blog? No worries, Nano. Here we go. Thanks, Farhad. Is SF expensive compared to Canberra? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely way more expensive. I think San Jose got voted the most expensive city in the US, overtaking New York. And yeah, the Bay Area is like all up in there. I think New York's probably second, but like I wouldn't be surprised if SF is like third. They still have a picture saying it's 76. In the previous agents, so we doubled the step limit, 15 to 30, and enforced test execution. As a result, Refact became more reliable, solving more tasks. Yeah, but I wonder how much it costs as well. I mean, these Aider questions, they're not like I don't know how to explain this. Like they're basic coding exercises. And like if you have an agent just working infinitely, like what would happen if instead of 30 steps they put it to 100 steps? You know, would they get 97%? Probably. But like the point of the benchmarking of Aider isn't to test agents, it's to test the models. If we really want to test the agent benchmark, that's where we need something like SweBench. And I don't see Refact on any of the SweBench. So why not? You know, this SweBench stuff is a more proper, useful benchmark for agents. Aider leaderboard is more of a benchmark for models, so I don't know. I just feel like it's kind of irrelevant, honestly. How come they haven't entered in a while? Who, Ada on Sweetbench? Because I think like as kind of like going back, Sweetbench is more for agents that run on loops. Ada is more of a kind of coding assistant that does like one sweeping change, not really like something that you leave to work out on like multifaceted problems. If that makes sense. I'm from the UK originally. No, from Australia. Yeah, prompt engineering does become a big factor when it comes to testing one-shot changes for sure. We're almost done with the Olympic Coder test. Four more tests to complete. Serious, what's up? I've been thinking about talking about coding systems. I'm so happy today my favorite tool got back online. What was your favorite tool? I'm still doing those 4 last tests. I wonder if we can see the API usage. I guess not really. Also, can I regenerate a key? Yes, nice. Damn, these 4 last tests are taking quite a while. How much battery are we on? 27%, not too bad. It's Tata.so. It started as an icon-based programming, now it's an AI accelerator. What? Can't wait to see what Metacook's up to. Yeah, dude, I think they're gonna release Llama 4 in the next 3 months. Maybe even the next 2 months. Tata can create entire Flutter apps within hours. Cool. Bro, why is this last 4 tests taking so long? Oh, it finished. Okay, great. There we go. Now I can post this on here. Okay, my first test. Not sure if it was done correctly, but we'll try again with this model and maybe diff format. Okay, that's done. We're going to, how do I turn off the model? I don't know how to do that. Like, delete. Yeah, I got no idea. Also, like the temperature settings and stuff. There's like so many settings and stuff that could change. Yeah, I'm gonna regenerate that key as well, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll probably end the stream here. If you want to continue the conversation, I have my community Discord. You can find a link on techfriend.net. Click the Discord button. Hope to see y'all in there. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace out.